In this video, I am going to guide you about getting the best parking deal on SpotHero. This will help you park conveniently without overspending. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Download and install the SpotHero app on your device. 2. Log in or create an account to access all features. 3. Enter your destination and travel date to search for parking options. 4. Use the filters to narrow down results by price, distance, or amenities. 5. Check for any available promo codes under the promotions section. 6. Compare parking spots and choose the one that best suits your needs. 7. Book your parking spot in advance to lock in the best rate. 8. Look for special deals or discounts displayed on the app. 9. Use the favorites feature to save commonly used locations for future deals. 10. Refer friends to SpotHero to earn credits for additional savings. By following these steps, you can secure the best parking deal and save money effortlessly.